Yo, what's up? Welcome to the Digi Hub, 43 Bower Street, 2449. Coming for a bit of a look, check out what we're doing here on a daily basis.
Righto, bud.
Here you can see, #1 workstation. This is video editing, so any of the young guys can come in here any day of the week and learn a bit about Final Cut Pro, how to edit, how to capture film. If you're really into that, then the next level that you do is you crack up to our course here. We've got a Creative Industries, which is run on Wednesdays and Thursdays. What do you get up to on a daily basis in the Digi Hub?
Oh, I do some editing and stuff, mate.
Yeah?
You know, a bit of camera work. Probably this and that Shane fella. He doesn't really do much, but I do it all, eh?
What happened when Shane went away for a couple of weeks, man? How'd you feel about
It was pretty good, eh? No, I was a bit quiet. Shane weren't here to teach me anything, so it's all good now. Shane's back.
that? So, tell us what it's been like coming on board as a trainee with Beyond Empathy in Bowerville.
Been pretty good, eh? It doesn't get as boring as much. Now I'm working up here at Digi Hub. Yeah, it's good hanging out with all the young fellas. Making some beats and stuff with them out the back in the studio. And that's when you get Doss out of there. Doss is always in there making beats. So it's good.
Come out the back and we'll show you our little learning production space right in here. So as you can see, we've got some laptops set up here, usually for the social networking, things like Facebook, all that sort of stuff. So we try and hook up the young mob around Bower and connect them up with other people and other programs that we're doing. Come through the studio. There's somebody in here at the moment doing a little bit of work. Come in and have a look. Alright, this is our new recording studio. Here we've got Uncle Doss, he's in here doing some edits at the moment. So maybe this is something that you want to get into. If you want to come up to the Digi Hub, 43 Bower Street, 2449. You can come in here, you can learn how to make your own track. You can record through the inbox and then you can play it back on our mad PA here. And we might be able to get a quick word out of Uncle Doss. Yo, what's up? How you doing there today, Uncle Doss? What are you doing in here today? What's going on?
Some beats down, that's all. A bit of music.
Bit of music?
Bit of dance music.
Bit of dance?
Yeah.
Bit of dance music? You've been cracking the different genres?
Yeah, different kind. Reggae, dance.
Have you found it hard yourself as a musician coming into GarageBand and using the studio?
No, it's pretty easy.
It's pretty simple?
Yeah, took me a couple of weeks, but I never asked for any help.
Yeah, you
I just got in there.
just figured it out yourself.
Try and mirror it.
What advice you got to any mob out there that want to come in and get involved in the studio?
It's a good thing to get into. It'll keep us off the street, and if you know a bit about music, or you don't really know about music, just get in here and do a bit. Yeah.
So tell us what styles of music you've made. I know you love your reggae.
Yeah,
you love your reggae, but did I hear you cracking a bit of a hip hop track in here the other day?
Yeah.
And now what? You got a bit of a funky electro track?
Yeah, funky dance track.
Dance track, alright.
Trying to get it down here so we can
Nice one.
look out with some different musics, mate.
Cheers. Thanks for your time. We'll let you get back in the studio.
Always, mate.
Catch you later, bud.
That's the Digi Hub. Come down, get involved.